Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing, famous PowerPoint presentation slide in just 4 minutes. By the way, you can also download this free slide from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use for your own purposes. So let's begin, but first be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon and like this video if you want more amazing videos and content like this. So let's begin our tutorial. As always, what you have to do first is open up a blank slide and insert a rectangle and make it longer and then rotate it that the corners of it goes out of the slide and put it right here on the slide like this. Remove its outline. Now insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounder. Rotate it like this and put it right on top. Duplicate it and then you have to change, let me just change the color for easy navigation. We're gonna decrease its size. Now let's duplicate this round corner rectangle again and put it right here. Decrease the size of this one and put one right here on top. Let's duplicate it and then put it one right here. And then duplicate it and put right just at the bottom. Select these orange shapes and go to merge options and click on union. Next, we'll go to format shape and go to fill. And we're gonna insert an image in it from our device. Let's just use this image right here. Which yeah, this one might look nice, but I want some colorful ones, so this looks just nice. Next, what we're gonna do is crop it and fill the entire slide with it. Close the format background. Next, what we're gonna do is select these one shapes and use eyedropper to give them the same fill. Go to format shape and increase the transparency weight. Close the format background panel. Next, you're going to insert a rectangle that covers the outer part of the shapes and then use subtract option to cut out the the waste part of this shapes that are out of your slide. Now let's use subtract option. Here you go. Next, what you have to do is add your content text and other stuff that you want to use in this template. You're gonna write a title, increase its size, use Arial black font for it. And here you go. Change this color as well. Now this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more amazing content and videos like these. You can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your own personal use. So let's see you in another video with more amazing content and fun stuff like these with more free templates. So until then, goodbye.